So is it a good idea to start an Airbnb business in times when a recession is coming and inflation is high? Well, a lot of people don't know this, but the company Airbnb was founded during the 2008 financial crisis. One of the main reasons it thrived instead of going bankrupt was that people were looking for additional income. When a recession occurs, layoffs are inevitable. But even if the people lose their jobs, they still need to pay the mortgage. So more and more people started renting out their second homes or part of their homes. And this was evident during the aftermath of the 2008 financial crisis. During that period, over 42% of the second homeowners rented out their properties for additional income. So it's proof that people made money with Airbnbs even during a one-of-a-kind crisis. Here's another example. COVID-19 taught us that even during unstable times, people still continue to travel. The durations are shorter, the destinations are closer, but they still travel. This was during the height of the COVID pandemic when the risk of contracting the virus was the highest. In 2020, when the travel industry was hit hardest by the pandemic, Airbnb had 193 million bookings. It has rapidly become the preferred choice of vacationers, and over 60% of travelers who use both Airbnb and hotels prefer Airbnbs when they go on vacation. So to sum things up, Airbnb was born during the 2008 financial crisis, it thrived during the pandemic, and right now in 2022, it's the strongest position it's ever been since it first started. Recession or not, Airbnbs are here to stay.